Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival Award 2024. एक ऐसा अवार्ड जो सेलिब्रेट करता है एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री को एंड दैट रिकॉग्नाइजेस talent in the world of creativity. I am honored to be at the red carpet of this very prestigious award to recognize करता है talent from all across the world. तो इस red carpet पे आज आप तैयार हो जाइए to see a lot of glamour, a lot of मस्ती, धमाल and a lot of celebrities. So stay tuned. How excited are you for tonight?
Any function, any time. When I see a lot of people who love me, I feel very happy. I feel I'm alive.
A festival. How excited are you to perform tonight?
I'm very excited. It's an honor for me. बहुत खुश हूँ to being a part of this wonderful award ceremony.
Pleasure, and we can't wait to hear you sing tonight. Excited? Butterfly in the stomach?
Yeah, I mean, I am excited क्योंकि मैं एक बहुत intimate set perform करने वाली हूँ. Very raw, very acoustic.
So how important is this award for you, sir? The Dada Saheb Phalke.
Because Dada Saheb, the moment you say Dada Saheb Phalke, that's why I'm here. I'm here for his name.
You're going to be part of many award shows this year. It's going to be like, a fantabulous year for you ahead. So how excited are you with the award season and of course, being at such a prestigious award?
इतना ही प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड है ऑफ कोर्स एज एन एक्टर हर तरीके का वैलिडेशन तो आई लव ऑडियंस का अवार्ड्स आई मीन व्हेन यू डू अ मूवी यू वांट पीपल टू वॉच इट एंड से नाइस थिंग्स तो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अच्छा लगता है अवार्ड लाइक द दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड जस्ट फील्स सो गुड
अच्छा लग रहा है ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अच्छी वाइब है बहुत अच्छा
This is my first time and I'm so excited. मैं सुबह से बहुत excited थी and जब आपका पहला award function होता है ना it's really special.
Excited actually. This is the first time I'm attending the Dada Saheb Phalke Awards and I'm very excited because it is a very respectable award function.
Glad to be here and Jawan was my first Hindi film. So I'm very proud that I won it for that. So thanks to Shahrukh sir and of course to
Lovers of cinema.
It's nice, it's a great feeling, yeah. Since it's my first time also, so I'm feeling very nice, yeah.
Do you get excited for awards?
I do get excited, yeah, because it's appreciating your work and entire cast and crew work, so yeah, I do get appreciated.
मैं फर्स्ट टाइम दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड में परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ मेरे लिए ये बहुत गर्व की बात है बड़ी खुशी की बात है
वेरी एक्साइटेड आई थिंक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड्स हैं एंड ऐसे अवार्ड्स में आई थिंक आना बहुत बड़ी बात है थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस
I mean, it feels great to be honored, but I think everybody, like everyone else, I'm also extremely excited and happy to be honored for the work that I've done. But yeah, it's I've always seen award functions the same way. It's just that I'm on the other side this time, and it feels great to be honored.
It's an honor to be a part of this film festival awards and to get an award is a different feeling, so and getting recognized for your hard work. So that's a very good feeling.
Welcome back, Bobby, to Dada Saheb Phalke International Awards. Last year आपने जीता था.
2 साल पहले जीता था.
2 साल पहले. Yes.
Ashram, God has been kind.
It's been a fabulous year for you. मतलब Bobby अगर माने जाए, everybody wants a year like Bobby Deol, the comeback year,
You have to really work hard and never give up. हम हर एक्टर ये मोमेंट का वेट करता है और never give up because that moment will come in your life. It's been 28 years in the industry. Finally, people are recognizing me as an actor, so God has been showering a lot of love on us.
So you think now for you, award ceremonies are very different compared to what it was a few years ago?
These awards are special because this is the love of the audiences, the fans, that makes it happen. So I always feel that every award I win is it for my fans and for my audiences.
You can give us a small glimpse of आज आप क्या देखने के लिए excited हैं इस award show में?
This is the oldest award I believe because Dada Saheb Phalke was father of cinema. So naturally it is very special and very prestigious, So I feel very proud that I reached यहाँ तक,
What does an award mean to you? You think it's something that acknowledges your talent that you've been here for so long, or it's how do you look at awards?
Sometimes even acknowledgement of my existence is a very important thing. I mean, you get acknowledgement from the audience, of course, but it's nice even if the industry acknowledges your work. So both ways. I think you need both the acknowledgement so that you get more work, that you can show more of the audience.
So Sudhir, welcome to the awards. It's a very prestigious award, Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Awards, and of course your association is very welcome. So what do you look forward to the association with the awards?
Of course, Dada Saheb Phalke, you know, the name itself, being the father of Indian cinema, his journey is all about doing things that were never done before. He took risks at a time, you know, more than a century back. That's very inspiring. His craft, his name is synonymous with craft. And that's exactly what we also strive towards with our brand ethos. Providing our customers with well-designed, well-engineered, innovative products, and that's, you know, where the brand ethos are very synonymous, synergizing with Dada Saheb Phalke, the International Film Festival.
तो बहुत प्यार मिला है ऑडियंस से. स्टेज पे जाने से पहले कुछ रिचुअल्स होते हैं आपके गाने से पहले, कुछ आप मंत्र पढ़ते हो या हाउ डू यू लाइक सेंटर योरसेल्फ?
मैं थोड़ा प्रे करता हूँ और मेरे थोड़े कुछ एक्सरसाइज, वोकल एक्सरसाइजेज रहते हैं, वो मैंने करता हूँ. मैं ज़्यादा किसी से बात नहीं करता जब मैं परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जाता हूँ, तो मैं थोड़ा सा अपना एनर्जी प्रिजर्व करके रखता हूँ. तो ये दीज आर माय tricks.
No, we just have fun. We just enjoy what we're doing. We have no such ritual. Been doing it for the past 10 years back in Chennai. But luckily, Jawan happened to us and everything worked well. So thank you to the audience and thank you to Dada Saheb Phalke International Awards.
Dada Saheb Phalke, if you see his life story, उनकी ज़िंदगी में काफ़ी संघर्ष था, काफ़ी struggle था for what all he went through to become the father of Indian cinema. Do you find any sort of close inspiration from his story for yourself?
Of course. I think we all go through our share of struggles. और उनसे निकलकर कुछ अचीव करना, इनसे बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन हमें कोई नहीं दे सकता था. आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल आवर सीनियर्स एंड दादा साहब जी कि हम अपने सपनों पे भरोसा करते हैं और उनको पाने के लिए एक हद तक जाते हैं, चाहे कितने भी स्ट्रगल्स हो. सो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स बीन वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. It's a beautiful legacy. That's why I think he's honored with an entire award show, and the recipients, I think, truly cherish this one in particular.
शुरू की ये लेगेसी, आप उनको कैसे याद करते हैं?
हम ये दादा साहेब फाल्के इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल अवार्ड से 2018 से जुड़े हुए हैं और अभी बहुत बड़े लेवल पे मिस्टर मिश्रा, अनिल मिश्रा जी, अभिषेक मिश्रा, उनकी टीम करे. मैं उनमें, मेरा सौभाग्य है, मैं जूरी प्रेसिडेंट हूँ उसमें. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है कि दादा साहब फाल्के का नाम का एक अवार्ड इतना बड़ा लेवल पर चल रहा है.
Looking very good tonight, of course, looking very dressed for the occasion. लेकिन आज बताइए, what are you most excited about tonight?
I'm excited to be here with the industry. I'm excited for just the love that we all share, to be very honest. And of course, Dada Saheb Phalke was started in 1969. I know it's been almost 50 years, and it's just a privilege. So I'm just looking forward to enjoying the night with everybody.
A little hint of what one of the songs that I'm going to sing is my first song, which is Kuch to hai tujhse कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता.
अब आपसे कोई गुड मॉर्निंग बोलता है तो आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं?
मैं गुड मॉर्निंग ही बोलता हूँ, और पर अब गुड मॉर्निंग को थोड़ा सा प्राउडली बोलता हूँ.
जब बोला जाता है गुड मॉर्निंग, बोले सबसे पहले फिल्म देखो, फिर मानेंगे गुड मॉर्निंग.